Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add attachments and upload attachments to your web form. Okay, let's start with the configuration to know which files you want to upload. I'm going to go to my actionable, and on the actionable there is a section for attachments. So we're going to go for the required uploads. This file, this part will take a JSON for the configuration of the documents. The JSON has to look like the following. So we have an array, so it can be multiple documents, and then for each document the name of the document, and then also if it's required, a yes or no. In this case, as you can see, I have created two documents to upload, two attachments. One is not required and one is required. So we have the driver license and the passport. Obviously, if you want to add more, you can just do that. I use this tool online just to create my JSONs and validate my JSONs, which is very easy to do. Now, to store the JSON, I'm gonna minify it. So I'm gonna click this button here, and then I'm gonna copy over the JSON. Gonna paste it into the required uploads. Okay, and now click save. So now the configuration for step 1 is done. In step 2, I'm gonna have to now change or add the configuration to my web form. So I'm gonna open up my web form again, so it will reread the configuration, and then just drag and drop the attachments section to where I want it. And I want it here. As you can see, it already takes my driver license and my passport, so the only thing that I have to do is click save. Cool, that is now saved, so I can go to my contact, say enrich contact, create form Butler request. So it will now open up my form Butler in a new window. As you can see, a mail is sent, so I can go and take a look at my mailbox, but just for brevity, I will just click this link here and open up my form. So now in the form I can obviously do my updates, but I'm here to attach some files. So let's first upload some files. Let's take just any document here, doesn't really matter in this case, just a demo. And then I'm gonna take another file. So now I have two attachments, as you can see. If I click the submit, both attachments will be sent to Salesforce and attached to the contact record. So this form has been successfully submitted. All files should be uploaded. Let's take a look on the contact. I'm gonna take a look at refresh my notes and attachments, and indeed, yeah, so now both files have been updated correctly and attached to the contact.